Okay, so I'm just pumping under this wrapover roof. I don't know whether you can hear this, but I'll come up this end here. I've got the flat pipes through under here, and listen. So that's how I know it's pumping all the way up to here, is I can actually hear the product coming in under here, right? And it'll be filling up in that whole bay all the way along, right, until it starts to block up. Here it's starting to block up, right? So then I've got to pull it back a little bit. Right. You can see I'm not even at the flat pipe there at the moment. Just a bent, flexible pipe that I've pushed in, right? And that's where I can get a long way underneath the roof. There's the start of the flat pipe. Right?